but she's not coming clear with it. She wants her baby father back, but she's not coming clear with it. She's coming out with it as a bully. She's bullying the situation because she refused to show you that she lost the game. She's using the opportunity, arrogance, to manipulate the situation. All she had to do is come out and take accountability and say she made a mistake. She made a bad choice. All she had was to do one little sorry. I am sorry. Could have did save a situation, but somehow we're too proud. One little I am sorry for all of this and all of that. Could have did save the day. But because somehow we're too proud and we ego too big. Somehow we's too proud. Ego. She lost the game. And that is why accountability is important and forgiveness is important. Because sometimes one little misunderstanding can lead up to a big, humongous problem. One misunderstanding can lead to a humongous problem, like what is happening now. None of we don't know what is love. We don't get it right all now. None of we not perfect. For some of we never get physical abuse. We get mental abuse, verbal abuse, spiritual abuse. We get all different sort of abuse. So no matter. Now chat to me. But what me call love? None of you have no love all now. You have different stages of abuse and different types of abuse. And the whole of we are go through it as women. All of us going through it. Some of you sit down in the abuse because it is not on the internet. But everything on the internet, you know what, come throw them out in there and manipulate the situation. You know, go. Because no relationship out here not perfect. None. None of we out here not perfect. Because right now one boy must cut me out. Psychological abuse. Because right now one boy must cut me out. So what I say? Uncle Chu me not come telling you my business. Now must cut. Sometime. Not me have to love a boy if he must cut me out. If me not love him, he can't must cut me out. Somehow not did mascot, was mascot. Somehow not always mascot. Tomorrow not gonna be mascot, cause who never be mascot, gonna be mascot. Late, who never beat early, and who never beat late. I got to do it early. Who did do it early, nobody do it late, but the whole of we are mascot some point in our life. No come suck me now and make me want to drop out. No come suck me now and make me want to drop out. Cause tough as me be a damn blood clot girl. The whole of we go through it as woman. Cause me a tough girl. So none of you can tell me say you never got through it yet. I mean a tough piece of girl. It's just that I never get hurt. I feel away. And when I feel away, I put a condom on my heart and fuck my feelings. I felt away. I am not the type to feel away and go stay in the feel away and get heartbreak. I am the type to use my pussy as a mechanic and troubleshoot it. Put a condom on my heart and fuck my feelings. That's why my pussy mileage go up. I never meant to be bad. I never want to be bad. I wasn't want to be bad. And I never liked being bad. But because mankind them never give me a chance to be a good as, I became bad. Mankind never give me no chance to be no good as. Because mankind never come with no platter. Come roll out no red carpet for me. So because mankind never roll out no carpet for me, me never have no choice than to put up my defense. So when you not go come here, come go on like food, no relationship perfect, I was spit too. Left my place. And don't make me get disrespectful like Rose. You know, left me place. Because none of we not perfect. All of we go through it. That's why we have so much baby father. And that's why some of we put some mileage run up under silence. But you know just afraid for talk. That's why I know over here do me too, you know. I go on like me, it's the only battle is over here, you know. And that me soon over here, do. I'm not going to tolerate it, you know. You don't think me I go sit down and tolerate to over here going like me is the only battalions? When somehow not private battalions but through me public. Somehow not private, you know, but through me a company. Through me public. You don't come over here and give me the belt and the epaulet for real. It don't make me have no problem. Because 85% of we are shit house. A 4 sheet of zinc we want for back around. Good woman out there, but maybe 10%. 90% of we is shit house. Want 4 sheet of zinc for back around. Somehow we just change. When we're young, we are the judgment. And when we all wanna decide for the judgment again. And somehow we never the judgment when we're young. When we're all we turn judgment. Somehow we women are reciprocators. Somehow we go through some things and we decide to reciprocate the same energy on men. I want to make mankind tell you say we bad, I want to believe. I want to make them tell you say we bad, I want to believe. We're not bad. We are out here reciprocating. Because we're tired of the foolishness. Somehow we just not stand for it. Somehow we just not standing with the foolishness. And even when we not stand for the foolishness, somehow we decide say, alright, we're going to straighten up and leave, but our heart still craves for the person that hurt us. Somehow we want to let go, and we can't let go. Somehow we all, when we let go, we are still there in the same place. Somehow we left from man, from 2020, and yet still we're still trapping at 2020 in our mental. Somehow we move on with our life. From 2020 we left one boy, but we mind still in a 2020, but with physical body, there's somewhere else. Somehow we still are living in the past. So why not come here, come go on like we're not perfect? Eh? What not do ya if we're not perfect? What you not doing here? If we're not so perfect, what not do ya? Much I wanna left a man and still I love him. And the only thing me not go get, the only thing me I go get wrong for, she go about the situation wrong. You want back your baby father, do it in the most humble and the most calmest way possible. Cause if I did me want back a fuck from Jakes as my baby father, me I call him and say, boy, I'm not telling a lie, me get carried away, you know I'm wrong. Me I come down out of my pride and say me getting carried away and all that what me do to you, I'm sorry, me wrong. And even if me and you hide and fuck back, me not tell nobody, me I go keep my mouth. Me that tried soft side and get back my baby father. But she do it wrong. She use bullying. And that can't work. Because the money follow money over here. And him get money too. And you get money. So it's going to make it harder for him come back. It is going to make it harder. Right now the only thing could have make she win back her baby father whether I like it or not is if she humble and change. If she ever humble and change and just don't pay her baby father any mind, don't address nothing with him and just say, boy, I'm a baby father, yeah, done. Fame heart will come down. And when fame heart come down, none of you can do nothing about it. But you them not smart. A smart, them not smart. Make them over here destruct themselves in front of you. Then, what's your name? You did hear me tell us she go change berry milk? Me still don't know if she go change me. I am not the judge of that. And that's why I want to walk around and tell like on people on the app. Because you never hear me say she can't change. Or she can't this, or she go change. Me never said that. So I'm not going to go around and tell any lie on me. Because me never said that. I am hoping. Hope is different. I am hoping that she changes. I don't have no control over that. Me still can't say she not change because me no God. I don't know what the future hold. Me don't know what the future hold. And me see worse than she change. So me don't know what the future hold. And because me no God, me not troubleshoot that. I only can hope for her to change. Because I don't hate her. I want to see the best version of her. But even in so doing that, I am not going to enable her behavior. Her behavior is nasty. It is distasteful, displeasing, despicable, ridiculous. And I am not making up any excuses for that. I ain't making any excuses for her. I only can hope for her to change. But you know what Funa problem is? Because when people speak the truth, you don't want to hear the good member, you know. And I want to clap this. All of we have good and bad side. So you nobody come go on like a she alone have bad side. Because the whole of we hear good and bad. The whole of we have bad ways. The whole of we have bad side. Somehow we just don't show it. Somehow we have control over it. Somehow we have master control over our bad habits and our bad ways. So because we are able to control it, does not mean that we don't have it. Not because we are able to control it, does not mean that we don't have it. You ever sit down with yourself yet and something bad coming in your thoughts, and because you have control over it, you're in a way you tell me to do. You mad? Where? But you still get the thoughts. You still got the thoughts. You get it. But it's just that your mind is stronger than your ego, so you don't carry out that because you don't want to look small. And this is the problem. She's not afraid to look small because she don't understand. That is why she's going under societal hate. Because she don't understand how not to look small. She don't understand how not to look small. No one not gonna say me a defender when I don't want that. Because me not try to defend her. Me not try make up no excuses for her. But me just want to take accountability, which is her supporters that never see she do anything wrong. Because at the end of the day, them say I'm a hypocrite. But me I go show you how our supporters them are hypocrite. Every time she wrong, them don't see it. But as soon as you talk, them want to come for you. But every time she wrong, you go and tell me, say, these people are so naive. That's when she wrong, them can't see it. You don't love her. You really don't love her. I don't feel like you love her. And everybody's motive is different. My motive is not to put her down. My motive is not to see her down. I can only wish and hope for her to change. I don't want to see the worst of anybody. I don't have to defend Jakes. And you already know that. Jakes is very steady-minded. Very strong-minded. Nobody can manipulate Jakes all you see him there. Very strong-minded. But because she's weak-minded, she's the one who everybody's preying on and manipulating against the baby father. I don't have to defend Jakes. Jakes is already smart. He's already firm and know what to ignore and what to accept. Anybody will say not at all that a Funa business. That's your opinion. I wasn't talking for you. I was talking for me. I wasn't speaking for you. I was speaking for myself. And speaking about what I see. Him no idiot. Because if he was an idiot from the first day him come here and bring her down. Take him a while. And she's the reason why him bring her down. You know, be frank now and be fair. She was the reason why him bring her down. Because when him first come here, he wanted the money, yes. But he never bring her down for the money. So what the fuck you not go tell me, say? Eh? From him come here, him never bring her down for the money. All when them did a try get him to bring her down, him never bring her down for the money. And after, when him see it get unbearable, him start to bring her. Uno sister, she provoked the situation. If he was such a bad person, because someone who say my user, you know. So I'm a user from she sell peanut. So from the peanut, look hustling and come in, we can't stop the stale bread card. And from them time them a user, from she sell the peanut. So when did I use her for the peanut? The local profit for the peanut could have do nothing for him. Him never wear no name brand clothes. You don't hear him say him just start wearing name brand. Bevy big up. So I'm a user from the peanut time. I don't know, just because she's fat and 40 back, no man can love her. Oh, so she have 40 back, so no man can love her. You know why she disrespect him so much? Because she know him by heart. She knows how much him love her. That is why she provoke him so much. No for you couldn't run them a joke here with Funo man. Because as you start talk, appear things.
Chat power chap.
Them a joke here where she run with him. No for you couldn't run it to the no man. No for you. Remember, she never born with the fame. She never born with no riches. She never born with no money. And at 12 years them there. Him there with her from Chida town I sell peanut. So what not talk about? At the surface you not scratch. At the fame you not watch and say my opportunist. So you not remember back on the years them when they did and she say him been a fuck pan her. Your mountain come so much look good girl him fuck. Well look better than her. And him still never disrespect him babe mother for none of them girl there. More than mine were made to us and all we get fuck pan. Eh? So what now say? She born with the fame? So the fame make him there with her and take her in the fame? Oh, but Hakeem real to her. And Drake's fake. Oh, how low your mindset is. Okay. The whole I know over here say one bossy. Bossy real to her. One bossy. One bossy. And bossy coming at the middle of the fame. But Jakes were there. From our hill back big up on the ground like platter walk from market to town to Seaview Garden. And him opportunist. Okay, alright then. Alright, you do nothing then now. Alright. Because if I saw the whole of the mindset stay, no man no want to know. I can tell you no. Check on a relationship to see if you are a laborer. Because somehow you think you are a contractor and a black you are a. So go check on a relationship for me. Because if our baby father did bad as the whole of you make it look, she wouldn't want him back. So all you hear she over here said, she no want back her baby father. A bullyism she use, she want her baby father. She want him. She not go admit it and I know that because she's too proud and she's too prideful. She not go admit it. But me, cute boss, I tell you no. Said the woman want her baby father. She want her baby father. The woman crying in silence. Me not fit dead if you see, if you know. The woman crying in silence. She want her baby father back. Because him genuinely care about him baby mother. Somehow know shape good and do nobody. And petite. You never sit down yet and a man cook, wash and clean food no. She miss all of that. Because bad to bad. And regardless of what is happening, all I will have comfort. As tough as me go on over here, so. As tough as me go on. Me have nights when me lonely. I want somebody lie down side of me. But you are people, man, me I take. As tough as you see me be, I have times when I just want to feel comforted. I just want to feel that comfort. So she spread her bed hard and she lay down in it harder. She wants her baby father. But the sad truth is, it is hard to get him back and how the situation played out. It is very hard. But what I know for sure, even if him down the back with her, him have a premeditate. Everybody will put her down. Him have a everybody, if something detrimental happen to him baby mother, remember me tell you this. He might not want her for the back with because of the disrespect. But trust and believe me, that man will not sit here and laugh at his baby mother's downfall. Him now go be the one where I go sit down and rejoice over him baby mother. Right now, as much as him don't want back him baby mother, him a hurt to see the disgrace when baby mother go to. Him a hurt silently. Him just not talk. Neither of them a show happiness over here. Don't ask me who good for who life, me no know. Cause I know me no know if the boy will fuck me good for me. So me couldn't tell you if him good for her. Cause me no live in them house. But for some given reason, she still want her baby father. So if you believe say him no good for her, you can't tell her that for she still want her baby father. Him afraid of the backlash. Exactly that's what it is. Me no know if our man good for her, call all no way. No know when woman them good for we. Me and Mr. Wrong get along so good. Even though he breaks my heart so bad. We got this special thing going on. I love my Mr. Wrong. Always we will love the people that treat we bad. And yet the one them treat we good. You not going like you don't know say the world upside down. Come suck me. You don't know say the world upside down. Eh? Come suck me. Because the world I will know. Say the world up on the wrong side. I know we are normalize it life. It's not we. Go ask Jackass, now ask me no question. Go and go ask Jackass. Don't ask me. When you ask me about me, what's your name? Ask me why I love the boy who don't want me. I don't know neither. For if you ask me why me love the boy who don't want me, I don't have an explanation for you. The heart wants what it wants. The heart wants what it wants. We don't have a voice when our hearts making decisions. We don't have a voice. Chat, don't remember me the song. Please make me sing it. The Silly Indian. We don't have a voice when our heart is making choices. So don't tell me shit. Can't you ever come here, come go on like una things. We don't have a voice when our heart is making decision. Love doesn't ask why. Come on phone there, Baba. I mean, I'm play for that so cocky woman there. I'm play for her so cocky blood clot. Because she pissed me off. It reach through, it happened to the best of us. And it a go on from in a God time and not go on like you don't know. You take people for idiot. From in a God time it a go on and you come and go on like you not perfect. Like you don't know say. lucky girl. What you use your son now? Because Celine Dion born before me and Rose. Celine Dion born before me and Rosalie. Love doesn't ask why, speaks from the heart and never explains. Don't you know that love doesn't think twice? If you come on and once, I'd whisper from a distance. Don't ask me if this feeling's right or wrong. It doesn't have to make no sense. It just has to be this strong. And when you're in my arms, I understand. We don't have a voice when our heart's making choices. There's no plan. It's not in our bed. Love doesn't ask why, speaks from the heart and never explain. Don't you know that love doesn't think twice? If you come on and once, I'd whisper from a distance. Now I can feel what you're. Celine Dion born before me and Rose. What I'm saying? It a gone from in a God time. And what the girl they will say, man, disrespect with man will fuck pan we. Alright, now worry yourself. Don't leave neither two. Me I deal with the whole of one by one. You know worry your blood clots. And me I deal with you one by one. One by one me I deal with you. All who believe say man not fuck pound. Come make me show you from when it a gone. 1975. And from 1975 girl I get born. I would like you and my sweetheart to be friends, cause that's the only way your jealousy will end. And although you are my wife, my sweetheart, you should not fight. So that's the reason why you should be friends. Your sweetheart and your wife should never be friends. My sister told me that from I was 10. And I don't think it is right that for me, your lawful wife, should ever have your sweetheart for my friend. My sweetheart think that you should be our friend, because she has to help you now and then. And she cannot understand why you want a older man while others have to borrow from their friends. No, I'm not ready yet. I don't see y'all out here do threesome. Y'all borrow them friend them man. Come on, shot. I want to tell you things so you not get born. How delusional it is. Eh? Man shot. Others have to borrow from them friend. Y'all out here doing threesome with them friend them because man shot. Why you think say you feel have a whole man while others have to borrow from their friends? You come so, you know. We don't know delusional self over here. Because all I know delusional like my belly when I think flat. Move! Every time I wear the belly king, then I think my belly flat. You know delusional like my belly. Where? And don't come back over here. You know delusional like my big belly when I think so flat. Move! From 1975. Born again. I want to come over here going in like say, una life perfect. Oh, make me I want to drop out. I'm not nice, you know. I want to move from there. Come go up. I want to come blood clot, go up. Who here before that together? I want to come go up. And don't make me I want to drop out. Long time Bonagi. My grandfather have 15 picnic. We do much teen baby mother. Now go like how we write the book. I want to come and blame that generation of everything. After dirty things are going from long time. It are going before we're born. And it are going long after we're gone. The only reason why we are see too much, that generation is seeing too much because of the intranet. And back in the days, there wasn't any intranet. So it's technology, computer, and the intranet is causing us to see the most and know the most. But a long time we've been doing the most. Our ancestors were some set of nasty, dirty peoples. We want to come and throw it and we find another generation here. And we open the book. My mother take 3 men in a fair whole entire life. And my father fucked down the whole community. And my mother just take 3 men in her life. My mother die as a good as. My mother die as a good as Congo worm glad to see my mother vagina. That is why I don't play with mines. Congo worm can't get 2 feet to eat from one family. So Congo worm already deal with my mother when we gone back good. Congo worm not going to see my one in a good condition. Them going afraid of it. When Congo worm see my corpse in the ground, them don't want to see me. For them done deal with my mother already. Them can't get 2 meal out of one family. That's why me come to different from my mother. Come on, mascot out she, none could mascot me. 6 of one, 3/4 dozen of the other. That's why I live in my truth. I live in my truth. Because me can't come here, come fake it to make it. I am not going to fake it to make it. And have anybody think that I am perfect or I am that girl. Me's a shit house. Me a borrow 4 sheets of zinc to back me round. Anybody have 4 sheets of zinc in the chat? And piece of ply can put on the top? That's rain now wet the shit house. He who sin not cast the first stone. I'm gonna fling and lick my blood clot now. Fling and lick me over here with my spirit of discernment. He who sin not cast the first stone. Fling and blood clot lick me over here now. Because the whole of we is a bunch of sinners. Hating other sinners for sinning differently. After I pick on the side, I know me are the problem, you know. I am not the problem. And you know pick on the side of the problem. You pick a side, and because you pick that side, they don't think cute boss to pick the side. Me a Panama shit. Not because you pick a side, cute boss is going to pick a side. Me not pick no side. I give justice where it is deserved. So you can't throw me on the side. So when I come out here and I talk for who I want to talk for, you don't want to throw me on the side. I fool the side of the problem and fool the decision, you know, not me. You don't see what you see because you don't have a side. So because me not set in a fool no favor, you don't see me as an enemy if you put me on the next side. Because right now 2 sides put me on the side. Jake's people them put me on Rosalie's side. Now Rosalie people them put me on Jake's side. I 2 set of people them have me on them side because of their emotional hearing. Not my problem. I feel them problem that for deal with. Them pick for them side and both side want me to pick a side. And it not going to work. Because me no yes girl. You can't manipulate me. Me a Dan girl. That's why I'm a fuck pure Dan boy. I walk around with a Dan pussy. Why in a pussy? God know. If I'm lying, I'm dying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. That's why I walk around and take pay Dan because I have a Dan mentality. You don't ever wonder why I walk and take pay Dan? I have a Dan mentality. Even when I'm fucking in the force, I live from rank to rank. Rank to blood clot rank. Alright, now you couldn't get me fuck a blue suit. If him there in a plain clothes or brown suit, nah, fuck him. Me want the one them will get talk, not the one them will take talk. I don't like the idea. And I saw my mindset stay a long time. Me not like the people them will get talk, will take talk. I like the one them will get talk. Me like boss people. That's why me act like a boss from a little. Cause me can't take the yes boy and the yes gal them. Me not like nobody where people program. Me not like the idea. Not like when you're too easy for program. Yeah, me not like it. That's why I work with the Dan them. Dan's a fall, Dan's my pussy name. Yeah. Work with the Dan them car. Can't bother. With the problem, all this them baby. You see your shit pillowcase them. Can't bother with them.